Hi, I'm Stefania Chaplin, and I'm going to talk about the Google Chrome Sonatype Nexus IQ evaluation extension. First, I'm going to add the extension to Chrome. Then I will need to configure the extension. And add credentials. Once I have logged in, I will choose an application for my policy set. I am choosing Default Sandbox Application. Once I have saved and closed, I'm going to try it out on a public repository. So here I am in Maven Central looking at strut 2 core 2512. This was the component that affected Equifax. I can see information from the OSS index, which is also a Sonatype tool. But when I look at my Google Chrome extension, I can get even more information. I have the metadata around the component info. When I go to security and click on an example vulnerability, I can see the enriched metadata from our Sonatype security researchers on explanation, detection, and recommendation. When I go to remediation, I can see a full version history, including remediation advice of which is the next best version, which in this case is 2.5.17. And also licensing information. And we do this for many repositories. For example, NPM. I'm looking at jQuery. This is quite an old version from 4 years ago. When I go to my Chrome extension, I have the same level of information, including the vulnerability data. Looking at the Sonatype community GitHub, I can see a full list of the most up-to-date repositories that are supported, including GitHub. When I click here, here is another version of jQuery, 1.11.1, and I can see information. With GitLab, it's worth noting the information comes from OSS index, as well as with some of the other languages, such as PHP, Rust, and R, for example.